not a river. Spot the road challenge. Downpour exposes tall claims. Clogged infra, knee-deep apathy. Inundated roads, massive jams. Smart cities not monsoon ready. National capital region crippled by rains. Common man marooned. Capital rain chaos.
And there is some respite from heavy showers in Delhi and the national capital region. Overnight and early morning showers led to waterlogging in several parts of the national capital. Praladpur was one of the most affected, with buses submerged and commuters stranded. Delhi received 18.2 mm rainfall this morning from 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. this morning. The downpour has left parts of Delhi and Gurugram flooded, leading to long traffic jams in several different areas. Traffic snarls have hit Delhi's ITO, Moti Bagh, Sarita Vihar area as well. Delhi witnessed heavy traffic for the second day as rain slashed the national capital and the nearby regions. The Gurugram Traffic Police has put out alerts requesting commuters to travel only and only if absolutely necessary. The Indian Met Department has predicted thunderstorms with light to moderate rains in southwest Delhi and the neighboring areas of Ghaziabad, Noida, Faridabad and Gurugram. The IMD has predicted that the national capital will receive rainfall till 25th of August. Ashutosh Mishra is now joining us live for the very latest. Ashutosh, what's going on with the situation as far as the Gurugram is concerned? Where many questions being asked of the civic authorities as well as to how is it that they are not trying to control the situation right there in Gurugram. In fact, Raman Malik even has put out a tweet saying that they're trying to do their level best. But then the point is, you can see the waterlogging and there is some problem with a drainage system right there that really needs fixing fundamentally.
Well, Chaiti, it was non-stop rain for last, late evening, late night. However, there is a respite from the rain now, but the situation that remains grim, particularly in Gurgaon. However, in low-lying areas on the national highway or on the subsection roads, their water have been evacuated. But now there are grim situation in many parts, including one at golf course. So those images were doing around on social media. Now I'm reached right exactly here and using this this stretch to bring you these images from Golf Course Road, where both the stretch, both incoming and outgoing stretch of, this subway, which is completely submerged. This explains how the authorities fail when, despite there was alert of heavy rain, how the things were not arranged and managed. Though it's now waterlogging, and that's in a huge number, what I can see, the authorities and civic agencies have put out machineries to pump out the water from the low-lying areas. But that seems to be inadequate at the moment, because look at these. This is completely more than 100 meter stretch, and in both sides, which are completely submerged, and the water which is more than 1 to 2 feet. So that clearly says that how these arrangements which are in place seems to be inadequate, and though there is a respite at the moment, but if there is a further rain, situation may grim further, and this is just one stretch. These photos were doing it around, and I somehow manage here, and that what I see here at the ground zero on this spot, that explains how the authorities were caught sleeping when there was heavy rain in this part of NCR.
All right. Ashutosh, continue to stay with us right there and stay safe as well. Earlier today, my colleague Anisha Mathur and Ashutosh Mishra sent these reports coming in from different parts of the Delhi-NCR region, from Delhi and Gurugram to be precise, on the waterlogging problems in the city. Take a look.
Every year, it's the same story. The monsoon begins and Delhi drowns. We are currently at the Minto Bridge, which has been the site of waterlogging and traffic jams for decades in the city. Reports also coming in this time of yesterday's thunderstorm causing serious property damage in south and southwest Delhi, and waterlogging in areas as far as East Delhi in Jhilmil and Praladpur in West Delhi. most of Delhi suffers from the same problem. Encroachments, drains are not cleaned, and traffic adds to the problem of Delhiites. Once again, with almost 24 straight hours of rain, Delhi is again asking, what can we do to escape this waterlogging and the traffic jams? With cameraman Alok Das, this is Anisha Mathur in New Delhi for India Today. I'm currently at the red light between Mathura Road and the Supreme Court, where you can see here what my cameraman is showing you right now is the road which is partly under construction. This area, this entire area, remember the Pragati Maidan reconstruction, the integrated transit corridor development construction is going on. So on the other side of this road, right behind the barricading that you see, I'm going to ask my camera person to pan towards that side, is the official residence of Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. On this, across from him is the Supreme Court premises. And what you see on the visuals in front of you is the fact that this entire road is very badly flooded because the drainage has not been drainage system has not been created properly in this entire under construction zone.
This is not any service lane or sub part of, the remote areas of Gurugram, but this is a national highway. Yes, it is Delhi-Jaipur National Highway, where you see a massive traffic jam and traffic snarls every day. From last 2 days, from last 24 hours, I can only see this flooded situation, and this giving appearance almost like it's a flood kind of situation. 1 to 1.5 feet water has been locking here since yesterday. This is Honda Chowk of Cyber City, Gurugram, almost a smart city. And now how it has turned after a few hours of rain spills, that explains the entire fury. And it is not only the nature's fury, it was only few hours of rain, but it is because of the apathy of the civic agencies and the government. The drainage systems were not cleaned up. Neither I can see any pumping stations have been installed for the evacuation of the water. But yes, that's a policeman, traffic policemen, civil defense volunteers, and also the locals who have different point on these flood affected lines in low-lying areas are assisting and helping people. Now how the traffic actually goes snarl. Look at this entire national highway. Only one stretch of 5 to 6 feet is open for the traffic, and rest people fear even to enter. There could be possibility, possibly a manhole, and if that is open, that could also even claim life. So that's the fury here in Gurugram. So that's not one point. I just been to Raji Chowk. The underpass is locked. There's a massive waterlogging that has been blocked. Other side, the service lane, main roads have been blocked. But now, what is the most strange part? That the national highway, the NH connect to Delhi to Jaipur, is under this situation, which raises so many questions, particularly on the governance model of this cyber city, Gurugram. And now we are crossing this underpass at Raji Chowk in Cyber City, Gurugram. And look at this, how it is completely submerged. However, as a precautionary measure, these water pumps have been installed here by the civic corporation to clear the water. But because of few hours of rain, there is a mayhem across the Cyber City, Gurugram. And particularly in the low-lying areas, there is a massive waterlogging. Reporting at Ground Zero from Cyber City, Gurugram with Pawan Kumar, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.